Ali Muhammad Khan is a Pakistani politician who served as the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs from 17 September 2018 to 10 April 2022. He is currently a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. By profession, he is an engineer and a law graduate. His grandfather, Muhammad Wakil, was a rigid supporter of the Muslim League, and in 1940 he led the caravans from Mardan to attend the Lahore Resolution. Muhammad Wakil was elected twice as a federal minister. Khan was born on 30 November 1977. He was elected to the National Assembly of Pakistan as a candidate of PTI from constituency Not 10 in the 2013 Pakistani general election. He received 46,531 votes and defeated a candidate of JUEF. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PTI from the constituency Not 22 in the 2018 Pakistani general election. He received 58,577 votes and defeated Maulana Muhammad Qasim. On 17 September 2018, he was inducted into the federal cabinet of Prime Minister Imran Khan. In 2014, a police case was registered against Khan after he stormed a police station which caused injuries to 3 policemen. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.